Hello, my dear students, grade 3. Our lesson today, lesson 94. Open your book, page number 121. Directions: look at the question below and the student's response. Identify what the student did correctly and what the student did wrong. Then solve the problem yourself and draw another example of a quadrilateral. Which of the following shapes are quadrilateral? At the first, what is the meaning of quadrilateral? Yes, we know that the quadrilaterals are shapes that have four sides and four vertices. So, shape of A is quadrilateral? Yes or no? Okay, how many sides here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it isn't a quadrilateral. It is hexagon. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's pentagon. It has 5 sides and 5 vertices. It isn't quadrilateral. This one square has 4 sides and 4 vertices, so it is a quadrilateral shape. This is a rectangle. The rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices, so it is a quadrilateral shape. And this shape is a quadrilateral parallelogram that has 4 sides and 4 vertices. And this shape, letter F, is a triangle that has 3 sides and 3 vertices. It isn't a quadrilateral. Okay, complete. Student responds that the quadrilateral shapes are C, D, E, and F. Okay, what did students do correctly? Shape C is a square. It is a quadrilateral shape. Okay. Shape D is a rectangle. So it's a quadrilateral shape. That's right. Shape E is a parallelogram. So it's a quadrilateral. Shape F is a triangle. Is the triangle quadrilateral shape? No, because it has 3 sides and 3 vertices, not 4 sides and vertices. So what does the students do correctly? Shape C and D and E is quadrilateral. Okay. Or what did the student do wrong? Student, right? That F is quadrilateral. Is quadrilateral. Okay. Okay. Why do you think the student made this error? Why? Maybe he know that the quadrilateral shape is 4 or less sides and side vertices. Okay, solve the problem and draw another example for a quadrilateral. So the right solving that C, D, and E are quadrilaterals. Another example for quadrilateral, what? We take that the trapezoid or trapezium is quadrilateral, that has 5 sides and 5 vertices. Okay, turn to the next page. Directions: use the fraction matching card set to find two equivalent fractions for each fraction on the mat below. Record your matches. If we have these cards, half, 8 over 12, 4 over 8, 12 over 16, 4 over 6, 3 over 4, 1 over 3, and 4 over 12. At the first, we want to get the equivalent fraction for 2 over 3. Check the first card. Half is equal to 2/3. We know that to get the equivalent fraction to, for example, 2 over 3. We must times the numerator and denominator by the same number. For example, if we times it by 2, so 2 times 2 equals 4, and 3 times 2 equals 6. So 2 over 3 equals 4 over 6. There is a card with 4 over 6. Yes, this one, 4 over 6. So 2 over 3 equals 4 over 6. We must find another card. Okay. Is 2 over 3 equals half? No. Is 2 over 3 equals 8 over 12? Let's check. 2, if we want to check if 2 over 3 equals 8 over 12, right or wrong? 2 become 8, we times 4. 3 become 12. What times 3 equals 12? 4, yes. So we multiply by 4 denominator and denominator. So 8 over 12 is equivalent fraction for 2 over 3. Here, 8 over 12. So we will cancel 8 over 12. The next fraction, 2 over 4. We know that 2 over 4 equals half, or half equals 2 over 4. So it's equivalent fraction to half. Okay, we will cancel this card. Another card. If 2 over 4, we will check if 2 over 4 equals to 4 over 8. 2 over 4 and 4 over 8. 2 become 4. What times 2 equals 4? 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 become 8. What times 4 become 8? 2. So we multiply by 2 the numerator and denominator. So 4 over 8 equivalent fraction to 2 over 4. So we will cancel 4 over 8. The next fraction, 6 over 8. Okay. So we will check. We want to find the equivalent fraction. If 6 over 8 equals to 12 over 16, 6 become 12. What times 6 equals 12? Yes, 2. What times 8 equals 16? 2. So we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. So 12 over 16 equals to 6 over 8. we will cancel, discard. Check if 6 over 8 equals 2, 3 over 4. 6 over 8 is equal to 3 over 4. 6 become 3. Okay, so there is what times 6 equals 3? There isn't. We can find that 6 divided by 2 equals 3. This is a great number. This is smaller. So we divide. Or what times 3 equals 6? 2. Okay. Here, from here. Okay. 8 become 4. So we divided by what? 8 divided by what equals 4, or 4 times what equals 8? Yes, 4 times 2, or 8 divided by 2. So 6 over 8 equals 3 over 4. 3 over 4. Okay, cancel 3 over 4. And erase this. Okay. Now we have two cards, third and 4 over 12. Is we will check if 2 over 6 equals third. 2 become 1, and 2 divided by what equals 1? Yes, 2 divided by 2. This big number and this small number, so we divide. 6 becomes 3. 6 divided by what equals 3? Or 3 times what equals 6? Yes, 3 times 2 equals 6, or 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So 2 over 6 is equals to 1 over 3. Cancel. At the last, we have 4 over 12. We will check if 2 over 6 equals to 2 over 12. 2 become 4. What times 2 equals 4? Yes, 2. 6 become 12. What times 6 equals 12? 2. So we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. So 2 over 6 equals 4 over 12. Now, the next page. Record your equivalent fractions matches. Okay. If we have this fraction, 3 over 5, we want to get the equivalent fractions to this fraction using fraction model strip. So we will draw a whole one, and sorry, this one, and divided it into 5 equal parts as we can. Each part is fifth. Three over 5. So we will shade 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Now we want to get the equivalent fraction to 3 over 5. We will draw another one whole. divided it in 5 equal parts, like the first one. And then each part here, each part is fifth. Then divide each part into 2 equal parts. Each part will be 1 over 10 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal parts. 1 over 10, 1 over 10, 1 over 10, 1 over 10, 10. Sorry. One over 10. Okay, this part is equal to 3 over 5. Okay, how many of 1 over 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 over 5 equals 6 over 10. Here we note that 3 over what? 3 times what equals 6? 3 times 2. What times 5 equals 10? 5 times 2. So we multiply numerator and denominator by 2, by the same number. We can get another equivalent fraction. If we, okay, we will erase this. If we multiply 3 over 5 by another number, by 3, for example, 3 times 3, 5 times 3, by the same number. 3 times 3 equals 9, and 5 times 3 equals 15. So 3 times 5 equals 6. 3 over 5 equals 6 over 10 equals 9 over 15. Finish.